We start with 1 hour chart. Okay, if we refer to our analysis in my last video, mentioned if we want to look for buy, we prefer the price drop and we get the correction. As we can see, the price drop and even reverse, but there was no trade setup. But the way it's correcting is, I don't think we can get a really good trade setup. Okay, from what we have right now. Anyway, we move to higher time frame. We see how we can trade. If we move to daily chart, the only thing is we can see the price broke that previous top and now want to see whether we can expect the continuation or not. Okay. I mean, still we have to wait and to see what's the next because right now we cannot confirm. And even if we move to forward chart, right now we're looking at this correction. As I mentioned, based on 1 hour chart, the way it's moving, it doesn't give us a really good trade setup simply because of this shadow on here. Okay. Anyway, we want to see how we can trade based on what we have. And the best things is for me, if I want to trade, I will give it more times to get the proper trade correction. Because right now, can I, even if you put this one as expanding, even the price continue from here, the only way to trade, I mean, if the price continue from here, the only way if we want to trade, we get the sharp move like above this. Rather than that, we don't have any other option. And having entry above this, I don't suggest it. That's why we prefer wait and see what we get here, what type of the correction and how complex can be. Then from there, we can look for trade. And as I mentioned, if there is a continuation, the only thing is we wait for the flag. But if the price drop a bit more, any reversal, we can give us better trade setup. Anyway, we don't have any trade setup for this and we just follow the chart. And if I see any update, I will share.